Top 5 Indian foods. 1. Biryani. A fragrant rice dish with spices, saffron, and chicken or mutton. 2. Samosa. A deep fried pastry filled with spiced potatoes and peas. A popular snack enjoyed by many. 3. Masala dosa. A thin crispy pancake made from fermented rice and lentil batter, filled with a spiced potato mixture. A staple in South India. 4. Rogan Josh. A spicy curry of Persian origin, now a staple in Kashmiri cuisine. It features braised lamb chunks cooked with a flavorful gravy. 5. Butter chicken. Tender chicken marinated in spices and yogurt, served in a creamy tomato gravy. Originated in Delhi, loved worldwide. India's culinary heritage is incredibly diverse, with each region having its own specialties and variations.